Hello everyone, I am Coach Ronajit from Apyugo. I hope you all practiced the last episode of Correct Way of Running. So in this episode, we'll progress further and learn few running drills which will improve your running skills. High knee skips are often used in sprint training. When you perform high knee skips, bend your knee and raise your upper leg until it's horizontal to the ground. Use your hip strength to jump up and forward with proper arm action and land on the ball of your foot. Back kicks helps you to increase the speed of hamstring contractions, which can help you to run faster. Touch your heel to your glutes and keep the slight lean forward from your hip and land on the ball of your foot. The bouncing action of this exercise will help the body to use the elastic energy from tendons of the foot or ankle instead of using much muscular energy from the calves. Stay on the ball of your feet and start bouncing. Finish the movement by getting up on the big toe. The high knee drill exaggerates the running stride, getting your calves, glutes, and hamstrings firing while promoting knee lift and encouraging rapid turnover, essential elements of running fast with efficient form. Raise the knees to the hip level with each stride. As the knee approaches the hip height, extend the knee by swinging the lower leg and foot forward. Your trunk should be held upright with your arm swings. Your chin should be level. Toe kicks have proven to be an essential drill in speed development for runners and sprinters of all distances. This drill teaches the athlete how to generate explosive power in the hips using the glutes and the hamstrings to apply force into the ground through hip extension. Drive with both legs but alternate the leading leg. Both the foot should land in the same time. Jump on the ball of your foot and flex the ankle. Keep your core tight for a higher bounce and sync your arms with the movement. Please follow the instructions given in the running drills. Safety is very important. I will see you on next Monday with more progression exercises for you. Hope you all liked the video. Cheers!